This review is of PetSmart Simply Nourish Source High Protein Grain Free Adult Rabbit and Chicken Recipe. And my cat kind of liked it, but not so much. Let me share with you the information about this. This is for adult cats, although it does not specify indoor or outdoor. There are no grains or soy. The only strange man-made ingredient was potato protein. Yes, protein comes from plants, and the animals eat the plants, and that's where they get their protein from. Starchy vegetables are dried potatoes and dried peas. There is no byproduct meal, which is organ meal. The animals that were used now, out of the 16 ingredients, the top 15 contained only 6 animal products in it, which was, based on what I could tell from the ingredient list, was a medium amount of meat, but it's really hard to tell from the ingredient list. They had deboned rabbit, chicken meal, turkey meal, deboned chicken, chicken fat preserved with mixed tocopherols, and fish meal. I don't think any of the animals were like cage-free, free-range, or anything like that, is because it doesn't say anything about that on the website or on the packaging. The material is all cooked, and the for the nutrition, the crude protein was at 40%, the crude fat was 18%, and the crude fiber was 5.5%. The moisture was 10%, calcium 1.2%, phosphorus was at 1%, selenium was 0.3 milligrams per kilogram, zinc was 175 milligrams per kilogram, vitamin A was 15,000 international units per kilogram, vitamin C 200 milligrams per kilogram, vitamin E 200 international units per kilogram, taurine 0.1%, omega-3 0.5%, omega-6 2.5%. Then the total lactic acid microorganisms was, whoopsie, how'd that disappear? Well, gosh darn it, there aren't any. I forgot, there aren't any in this product. And the metabolizable calories in kilocalories per kilogram is 3,733, but per cup it was 418. I couldn't find any information stating that it meets FCO cat food nutrient profiles, so it probably doesn't. If you want more information about this, you can look on their website. I ranked this number 7 because he just wasn't terribly fond of it, and it's a lot easier to get him to eat it when I mix it with other stuff. That's it for me. Not a really big fan of it, but I don't know. Maybe he's not a big fan of rabbit. I'm not really sure. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.